You mentioned earlier, may rally po tayo tomorrow. Can you confirm it to us?
Yes, there will be a rally tomorrow and I will be joining the rally. This will be organized by the Sara Duterte Riders, no? If I'm not mistaken. Tapos meron ata mga local counterpart groups. I'm not sure if it's PDP. Tonight, si Ma'am Rowena Guanzon will be coming in. Hindi ko pa alam kung sino pang personalities will be coming in from Manila. But ako, personally, I'm here to join the protest action of the rallies tomorrow.
Ano po daw ang objective ng rally bukas?
Basically, para i-air out yung grievances nila about the corruption na nangyari dito sa ating bansa, the corruption that we see now, one of which is also yung blocking of the impeachment complaint, the non-acceptance of the Secretary General. And I think particularly, they also want to inform the ASEAN leaders about the state kidnapping that happened to former President Duterte. So ito yung mga issues na nila. Pero primarily, of course, is the graft and corruption issue that is happening in our country that we have seen and we have witnessed happening with the videos of Saldico, the Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, and all of the statements coming from different witnesses.
Saan po ito ma-help? Or saan po yung starting point?
Kasi parang secret ang sabi nila eh. Secret daw. I just got parang ang oras will be, if I'm not mistaken, tomorrow afternoon or if not tomorrow morning, depende. But kung ano yung sabihin sa akin tonight, I will be joining them.
Regarding the timing, sir, of the ASEAN Prison Forum happening here, so talaga po bang dinalak na during
Was
the
it
ASEAN?
deliberately planned?
Yes.
Ako naman, doesn't matter if it was planned or not for the ASEAN Forum. Kasi the people of the ASEAN people have to understand what is happening in the Philippines. Dapat malaman ng buong mundo what is happening to the Philippines. Of course, this is the graft and corruption that we see now. And more importantly, di ba, because all of the ASEAN countries have gone through the problem of colonialism. Yung problem of foreign occupation. And as I've said earlier during my speech, what happened to President Duterte was our submission, kidnapping, detention of a former president, and giving him to a foreign court. Dapat malaman din ng buong bansa to. I don't see anything wrong with that. It's a freedom of expression of the people of Cebu. And whether it is the ASEAN, the APEC, or whatever convention, I think not only the Filipino people should know, but also the other people as well, the peoples of the other nations as well.
Sir, aside po sa inyo and kay Attorney Rowena Guanzon, sino pa po yung ibang personalities mo na alam nyo na dadalubing po bukas sasama sa inyo?
Hindi ako sigurado eh. Kasi ang alam ko, si Attorney Topacio of PDP will be here. Yun pa lang ang mga nalalaman kong personalities. The others, hindi ko sigurado.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so